Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a foreigner planning a trip to China or already living there in 2025, setting up Alipay is essential for easy payments, from grabbing street food to shopping online. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so you can get started hassle-free. First things first, why Alipay? It's like the Chinese version of PayPal, widely accepted everywhere, and with updates in 2025, it's even more foreigner-friendly with better international support. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download the Alipay app. Head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS, and search for Alipay. Make sure you're downloading the official version to avoid any scams. Once it's installed, open the app and select your language. English is available, which is a big help for non-Chinese speakers. Next, Step 2. Create an account. Tap on Sign Up and enter your details. As a foreigner, you'll need to use your passport number or international ID. Don't worry if you don't have a Chinese phone number. The app now supports verification via email or foreign numbers in 2025, making it simpler than ever. Step 3. Verify your identity. This is crucial for security. You'll upload a photo of your passport and maybe a selfie for facial recognition. The process is quick, but ensure your documents are clear to avoid delays. Once verified, move to Step 4. Link a payment method. You can add a foreign bank card, like Visa or MasterCard, directly in the app. Alipay has improved its international banking integrations for 2025, so this should be seamless, but keep an eye on any currency conversion fees. Finally, Step 5. Set up security features. Enable two-factor authentication and maybe add a PIN for extra protection. That's it, you're all set. Now, a few tips. If you're in China, you might need a VPN to access the app stores, and always double-check for the latest updates since things can change. One common issue is verification delays, so be patient or contact Alipay support if needed. There you have it, folks. Setting up Alipay as a foreigner in 2025 is straightforward and opens up a world of convenience. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.